Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting me in this particular channel. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, in this channel, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and enjoy this video, and I will be right back.
One time or the third time, this man they come out publicly, they come tell you say nothing for Biafra. What did they happen to this the indigenous of Ekpa State? You don't see any of them come out, come stamp streets, come say no, the governor not get right to speak for them. Now you come out, come say that Samuel Ekpa be your problem, that you want to kill Samuel Ekpa, you are ready to go to prison. No prison for you, my brother. Because you know say you don't prison, they go give you food, give you towel. Even if you want watch TV, they go allow you, give you your Bible to wash. Now lie, go. So if you want to show us say you be brave man, what are you gonna do, eh? Character, if you don't get document, buy ticket, man, you go Nigeria. Buy ticket, man, you go Nigeria, go. And these people, when they tell you so, go meet them. Go meet Devil Mai. Even if you not get across to Devil Mai, you know go ask where Devil Mai family they stay. You know go ask where Opus Odima family they stay. These na people where hold Biafra down. Not be Simon Ekpa. Mona leave Simon Ekpa alone. Mona leave Simon Ekpa alone. Simon Ekpa no hold Biafra. The man is working tirelessly. You people are evil. Igbo killing Igbo. This is what I call Igbo killing Igbo. Why do you want to hate him? Why do you want to kill him? Do you think if you kill Simon Ekpa, it will give you Biafra? Will the death of Simon Ekpa give us Biafra? The answer is no. You are the one of the evil people that are giving bad name to the Igbos. You are one of the evil people that are giving bad name to the Ipob people. Now, the issue don't become now, be say, they say Ipob that they kill themselves. Now, when they come public, they call an answer. Now, they come tell the government, say, una be killers. Now, una they come tell the international communities, say, una be killers. Una they validate what the Buhari talk say we be. They come out, say we be terrorists. You, they come out for public. Not be one, not be two. There are some of una wey still come carry knife. Say, una go cut Simon Ekpa neck. There are some of una wey still come, say, una go kill Simon Ekpa. May they go cut Simon Ekpa family. Their head put for junction. All this is when una they talk so. If they portray Ipob as a barbaric movement, una think say una wise, una be mumu, una not get sense. Not be una self una they do. Na masu na the can una they put for problem. Na masu na the can una they give bad name. The organization we mazina they create. Ipob, he not create Ipob to be a public people where they kill themselves. Mazina the can not create Ipob made they kill themselves. Now una know where una come from. Now una know where una get that evil spirit where they pursue una the waka to make una say una want kill una self. Mazuna the can not create Ipob made they kill themselves. He build us with love, unity. Go and check all the old broadcasts, you go see them there. The only thing when they clamor for now unity, unity, unity. We must come together as a people if we must get it right. We must come together. We have been divided by the Fulanis. So now is the time for us to come together. Who are you to come and be saying that you are going to kill Simon Ekpa? Who are you to say that Simon Ekpa is the one that is destroying Biafra? How can Simon Ekpa destroy Biafra? Who are you to stop Simon Ekpa for speaking for Biafra? Who are you to stop Simon Ekpa for talking about Ipob? My man, you are nobody. You are just a ranter. I challenge you today. I am challenging you today. Go to Nigeria where nobody can track you. Even if you do what you want to, nobody can track you. Your mama na be a shower, Onu, your mama, and even you as a woman, you too, you be a shower. Your generation, a shower una go be, make us send you to where you come from. Useless woman. Any woman where they call a fellow woman a shower, may you know say na you don't do a shower pass. Useless woman, born throw away agents. Lying Mohammed agents everywhere. Now, make I tell you, you wake up for this program where you say you want to kill Simon Ekpa. You dey waste time. You dey waste time. Buy ticket. If you don't get money to buy ticket, contact me. Give me your full Naija. I want may you go free our supreme leader for us. Show us true to say you love Biafra. Show us true to say you love Mazenadi Kanu. I go buy your ticket, go in and come in live. Not be saying I'm mad. If you want to sleep for hotel, I go pay for your hotel for the period of time when you want to execute this job. May you go to us so that we gonna say you be real brave Biafra. We gonna say you be brave Biafra. You go Devil Usodima, Devil Mai. Go meet Devil Mai. Go meet up Usodima. Make una leave Simon Ekpa alone. Make una leave Simon Ekpa alone. Simon Ekpa no do na anything. Simon Ekpa no do na anything. He know they stop Biafra restoration. He know they against the release of Mazi and Nandikanu. Instead, he they fight for Mazi and Nandikanu to come out. What do you get to talk about the video? The exposition of Kanuta Kanu. What do you get to talk about the exposition of the DOS about Kanuta Kanu? All of una want sweep all those other carpet. Now Simon Ekpa, una they carry every day. Una not get proof. Single proof you not get. Make I play your useless voice again. You say you are ready to go to prison and lie, you the lie. You know what you go do. If you want really go to prison, you just can't show your PIN number. You can't show your PIN number for social media. Go, nothing. You don't be anything. For you to prove to Biafrans, say you be something, you must make sure say, make I play your useless voice again.
You to unmute yourself. Yes, thank you.
I want to reply you one after the other.
Oh, yeah, Biafra.
See, voice, very useless guy.
Biafra. I greet everyone. As I did like this, I don't get joy. I don't get joy from my heart.
You not get joy because of Simon Ekpa. Shame to
all
you.
All the lecture, our leader don't lecture us. It's there for my brain here. He make us to love everybody, to love ourselves. And we love ourselves when our leader there outside.
This guy just deceive himself. He say all the lecture when Mazina the Kanu lecture us, he lecture us to love ourselves. This guy not love Simon Ekpa, but he claim say Mazina the Kanu lecture us to love ourselves. How can you say you get all the lecture for your head whereas you hate Simon Ekpa? What is Simon Ekpa do what make you hate him? You hate your own brother. You hate your own brother. Make I send this one to where he come from. Make I send this one. Yes, all these ones now the people will be say that they chase shadow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Voila, I don't block you. Useless people everywhere. Now, make I continue to plan. A very short video. I'm not going to stay long.
They call hold our leader now. Some people now visit the bureau now. How they put some stuff our gare? We now get the where they on ground. We say we no one that way they say they kill us but now they keep us. After they betray our leader. Still they show their face saying that they betray our leader. They say that.
Okay, now my question to this guy: what if be your proof? Saying Simon Ekpa now betray Mazuna and Kanu. Where your proof? If it be say DOS get the proof or Kanu get the proof saying Simon Ekpa betray leader, therefore don't put her for public domain. Cease. Therefore don't publish her because everybody they look for one way or the other to track Simon Ekpa down. As we they speak to today, all the allegations that they lay against this man, none of them don't bring proof come out. To let you know say the guy is innocent. People are jealous of him. People are jealous of Simon Ekpa. Whatever Simon Ekpa is doing today, presently, is as a result of too many accumulated accusations against him. Whatever action that man is taking today is as a result of too many accusations, too many hatred, too many allegations against him. He is just venting. Simon Ekpa has no choice rather than to vent, rather than to bounce back. That is what is happening today. He wants the public. He begged that people should leave him alone. That he's just doing his own thing. But today, because he's trying to expose people who think that they are exposing him back, you people are saying that he's putting Sansa. How can you say he's putting Sansa? You beat a child, you don't want the child to cry. I am not happy with what is happening, but there is time for everything. The guy has tried. He has endured. He has endured to a certain level. Now If Simon Ekpa want to stop you today, he is going to stop you with this, only with this broadcast that you did. Don't you know that he can stop you? Now you will be looking for people who will sponsor you to freelance so that you will go and kill him. Anything happen to Simon Ekpa today, let me tell you, BIAFRANS. If anything happen to Simon Ekpa, eventually, if anything happen, if Simon Ekpa is being killed, if anybody kills Simon Ekpa, IPOB will be held responsible because all the IPOB so-called heroes, they call themselves media warriors, that the DOS gave them applaud them. The DOS congratulate them. The DOS told them that they are doing a good work. All these people, some of them have threatened to kill Simon Ekpa. And if anybody kills Simon Ekpa, even if it's not this so-called heroes that did it, these people will be held responsible. IPOB will be held. Don't you people know the damages you people are doing to the struggle? You don't know the damages you are doing to the struggle. You think you are coming to prove to the world that you love IPOB, you love Mazuna Dikano, you love Biafra more than the other person. You are no more Biafran than anybody. You are no more Biafran than me. You are no more Biafran than Simon Ekpa. You don't have the right to stop him from preaching to the world, to the public. You don't have the right. The only thing you are preaching is hate. Simon Ekpa is preaching love, unity. Simon Ekpa is not your problem. Leave Simon Ekpa alone.
The brothers, they betray them. Simon Ekpa, not betray our leader. What thing I need to tell her, I say, any other one you take anybody, they carry this struggle back. They take them down. Now it's in your hand. If I take them down, I will face the Lord for this hero. Now it's in your belief, be that one.
Shut up your mouth. This guy na wrong guy. This guy blessing Aduro na be. Aduro na people when not get document stay, residential permit. Because he say he go take him down, then he go face the law. You not go face any law, yeah. I they propose you. I they propose this guy, make him send his name and everything come. Contact me, make I buy your ticket for you. I want make you do this, do us a favor. Do BIAFRANS a favor. Go meet up with Sodima. Dave Umahi, now these two people, now them, they hold Biafra down. If you don't know, now the Buhari, Dave Umahi, Hopu Zodima, now these two people, they hold Biafra down. Not be Simon Ekpa. Before Simon Ekpa joined the struggle, these two men, they don't operate. They don't operate for long. They don't, go do this assignment when I give you so. Go do this assignment when I give you so. If you want to really prove, say yes. You love Biafra. You love IPOB. Not be this way you tell. So you just make math. You just rant. Now rant till you day.
Take the person down. I go face the law. If I go die for the law, I die because I go not say I don't come up and say one damage all the old people for the Biafra land. Because this Simon Ekpa, now damage you come to damage our struggle.
Now lie.
I don't see this Simon for dream. I say for dream. This guy, he go just there for your house. He go say make you.
You dey see now? This guy get high fever. He get high fever, he can't sleep, can't go dream see Simon. The reason why he dreams see Simon because he don't already get that hatred for Simon. He don't they think, he don't they insinuate for his head, don't they imaginate many things. Oh, maybe this guy they work against Biafra. This guy don't want Biafra to come. How can this small Simon, now people they follow like this, now they get 13,000 viewers at a time. Who be this Simon? Where they live large, where they live well, and come on, if they into freelance politics, come on, who be this guy? Where this our supreme leader? If you care so much about him, come they even they comment down to us. You don't think many things for your head. Now you go sleeping. You can't begin the dream of the guy. And you wake up now, you can't say the dream where you dream about her. Now real. You know how many people they dream about for this struggle? You know how many people? I bet go sleep. May you go take paracetamol, cure that your malaria dream where you dream.
Drink till finish. They make you come out, come make this make the talk. They put the drugs, make who will be the Afram child them who no can know what you do again. They put kata for head, they Micah, you see about the Simu Biafra. Something will be our leader put us together before I come out. They come our leader way, we go they go have our leader, come go the fight so that they go kill our leader. So no one our leader dance. Now our leader called them, say, look, they follow DOS. Why Simon come now, come the die against DOS?
Come, my guy. Go back to the beginning of all this saga when it starts. Don't be biased. Go watch Simon Ekpa videos from the beginning when this whole saga starts. Simon Ekpa was never the E-rats, the people when they attack Simon Ekpa, DOS they praise them, DOS they commend their work. What they make you go feel say Simon Ekpa no go talk say na the DOS they behind. Even at the point DOS too they call Radio Biafra, they call Simon name, then they call Simon, they attack Simon too. I know they take side for the way they grass. So for me, now the truth I stand for. The fact said the house scattered today, it means say the leadership they not do their work well. If you there for family and the family scatter, they go ask the papa and the mama, what do you mean your children scatter? Una not try, una not discipline them, una not the discipline. That is why una scatter. That is why your children scatter. If massive they here, IPOB not go scatter today. As far as IPOB scatter today to this extent, it shows that the leadership they not do their work. Their ego not permit them to do their work. They begin to take side. They begin to separate rice from beans. They begin to try to say this one are rice, that one are beans. People when the beans say they're there together, they work together as one family. People don't invest their time, their money, their energy, everything for this struggle. Today, DOS succeed to try to say some people are beans, some people are rice. And today you they put the blame for Simon Ekpa. You are a biased man. You not get freedom for your spirit. The spirit of freedom not there in you. You are just there to criticize the good work that Simon is doing.
Against US, against our leader. So anybody who is against Nnamdi Kanu, we come to make everybody eye open. The whole Nigeria eye open. Nnamdi Kanu. Why we now we dey see one person, Ofumbro Mado, try the judge, they cause all this katakata for us. We need to take that person down. No be lie. Me, if I see that guy there.
You dey hear am? You dey hear am? This guy, the only thing wey carry this guy come public because they talk this guy, the guy hates Simon. He said our leader don't already tell us what to do. Our leader don't, okay, all the things when leader put for ground, may we do. How many where we don't put, where we don't implement? How many where we don't implement? Where Simon go say no? In fact, the things where Mazi put for ground, may we do. Now those things now Simon they try to sustain. Sit at home. Now, let me tell you, the DOS they come out, they put sit at home. Biafra people back home, they continue to sustain the sit at home. DOS come, they suspend the sit at home. The people refuse to give up the sit at home because they say they want to continue to sit at home so that their supreme leader will come out. But the governors, Kanu, they come and they tell the DOS to suspend it. The DOS successfully suspended it, but Biafra people refuse to listen to the suspension. Now, my question to you, are you fighting for the people or you are fighting for yourself? Is the DOS fighting for the people or DOS is fighting for themselves? If DOS is fighting for the people, DOS should listen to the voice of the people. This is why we are angry with Buhari. This is why we are angry with Nigerian government, because they don't listen to the voice of the people. Biafrans have decided to sit at home. Why are you not saying that they shouldn't sit at home? Why don't you listen to them? You have to listen to the people as a leader. A good leader will listen to the people. You don't expect the people to listen to you, except maybe there are few people who are against what who are against what you are doing. But if the majority decide that they want to continue to sit at home, I don't see any reason why the leadership should continue to say that up to the extent to monetize them. Why would they be monetized? You don't have to say that they should be arrested. Who are the people that will arrest the people sitting at home? Is it not the same police that we are castigating? Is it not the same military Nigerian government, the governors that we are castigating? Have they become our friends automatically? The governors, are they not friends to IPOB? The answer should be no. The answer should be no. Now, Biafrans have decided to continue to sit at home. Why are you not going to intimidate them? Why are you not going to stop them by force that they should not sit at home? Whatever your reason may be, allow the voice of the people to prevail. Allow the voice of the people to speak. It is not the government that counts. It is the people that makes the government. It is the people of Biafra that makes the government. And let me tell you one thing. All the people that are sitting at home are not all IPOB oath member. So, if Biafrans back home should decide that they want to continue to sit at home, don't think that they are all IPOB everything. How you just scatter everything? Now some when I call for sit at home. Now he suspect it at home. My brother, may you I beg go cure that your fever will make you call the talk this thing for public, eh?
Because I don't compare now conclusion that got the bring for us. You know the fight for Biafra, you know the fight for Mazina the Galo, that time or ever. You know the fight for us. We need to take anybody down. Me, I go face the law. I will see now believe. That's why I believe. My name is Peter Amechi. She not gonna man him.
Hello, Peter Amechi, whatever you call your name. You dey na ranty you dey. You know them man enough. I dey challenge you. Me, I dey challenge you. If you really love Mazina the Kanu, you know what you go fit do for that day of the court. Time still there for you to travel go Nigeria. Oh. I dey challenge you. If you really know, say this the way you can't talk for public, you can put them into practice. Put Simon Ekpa aside. Simon Ekpa is nobody. Now so now they call him now. You say Simon Ekpa is nobody. Why you can't go and think about her? Why they get nightmare because of Simon Ekpa? Remember what Ijele tell us. Ijele talk something. He say, what he gonna make Ipob go even believe say one man can stop the actualization of a country, of a nation. Ijele makes sense for that. Let's be truthful to ourselves. What it make us Biafrans, all these Ipob members that this bad head. This was the way they threaten other people that they be the bad head though. What it make them feel say one man, Simon Ekpa, go fit stop Biafra, the restoration of Biafra. Now question, now Ijele answer now. That will make you go up to the extent of killing that person. If you are going to kill an individual because you said this individual will stop Biafra, the person is not even holding any political position in Biafra land, that means you yourself, you are as useless as, you are just useless. You are not useful to the struggle because your thinking faculty has some problem. You have to go and cure yourself. You are not matured enough. What makes you think that an individual, somebody like Simon Ekpa, can stop the restoration of Biafra, can stop Mazina the Kanu from being released? What makes you think that? Answer my question. I will kill him. I have made up my mind. I will do this. All of una wey dey threaten Simon Ekpa, make una look una life. Look the life where una dey live. Make una look una life. Na envy, jealousy, na dey worry una. Jealousy, na dey worry una. Very soon, una go begin fight against una self. Very, very soon, una go begin fight against una self. If una not diseased from this character, una dey make Mazina the Kanu look like a leader that did not do his job well, properly. But I'm telling you, Mazi did his job very well. He did his job perfectly well. But there are some useless people who were pretending to love him, who were pretending to be true followers of Mazina the Kanu. Today, una don't dey show ourselves. Now you, people like you, now they endanger the life of our supreme leader for where he did. When DSS listen to this your audio, they will say, we said it. We said it. These people are terrorists. We said it. They are behind the ones that are cutting people's head. We said it. Even in Europe, they also threatened to cut their own fellow members' head. Oh, says, common sense, eh? You know, come on. Oh, I decided for una. Una no dey do Mazina the Kanu any good. Una no dey do Mazina the Kanu any good. This is the way you can talk for public. So listen to me. If na me be Simon Ekpa, eh? Immediately I get this your message and I go forward, I go give him. I don't know whether I don't see him. I go forward this your voice message, go give him. Immediately I hear this your message. Police, Interpol, any country where you dey, they go pick you, go put you for jail because you not deserve. You not merit to call yourself a Biafran. You don't want to sacrifice for Biafra. You want to sacrifice for your envy, for your hate. The fact that you want to kill Simon Ekpa, you don't want to do it because of Biafra. You want to do it because of the hatred that you have for him. Because if you truly want to sacrifice for Biafra, just like our supreme leader have done, it's a sacrifice. He has sacrificed for Biafra a lot. He has sacrificed his family. He has sacrificed so much. He is now sacrificing. He continues to sacrifice. The only way you can sacrifice for Biafra, the only way you can truly prove that yes, you are a true hero, so that your name will be written in gold. I am challenging you. Call your name. There are so many people who will volunteer to do it for you. Buy you tickets. You take a flight. Go to Biafra land. Organize yourself. Prepare yourself. Package your body. Travel. Go Abuja. or the day of Mazina the Kanu court, go do the needful for us. Go do the needful. Because for there, if anything happen to you, you know say, you not go see 3 square meal eat, you not go see television watch for prison, you not go even see anybody who go come feed you for there. But you know what you dey talk, say if you do you want to do it for year, maybe you not get paper, so that you go dey inside prison, go dey feed. Maybe you know they work to chop the hard yourself, so that government go dey feed you well, because they feed you now well for prison for Europe. That is why you dey feel say you want go do it. But I dey tell you, you just want to kill the innocent man. And if at all, say you succeed to kill him, that is the end of IPOB. Nobody go join IPOB again. They go see IPOB as a group that are killing themselves. Let me tell you, Simon Ekpa is a public figure. All of you who have threatened him so far, your videos are there in the public domain. Let me tell you, if anything happens to Simon Ekpa, all of you will call you, the law will call all of you. You people are going to be arrested. All of you, una video day. If anything happens to Simon Ekpa, all of you will be picked up. And I tell you, Biafra is not going to come if you keep Simon Ekpa. Instead, the God of Biafra, the gods of the land, they will all destroy your generation for killing an innocent man. Because Simon Ekpa is not fighting against the restoration of Biafra. Simon Ekpa, if Simon Ekpa is fighting against Biafra, do you know what he will do? He will come out openly to declare it. He will declare it that he's not for Biafra, just like Dave Umahi did. As David Umahi did. How many people don't go kill Dave Umahi? We don't get our gallant men for there. How many times Dave Umahi don't come out come talk am? Dave Umahi not get family, he not get mama, he not get papa, he not get cousins, he not get nephews, he not get children. You don't hear say any of them, they pick any of these people. What is Simon Ekpa do now? Why Simon Ekpa? Why Simon Ekpa? Why Simon Ekpa? And they shame me, honestly.
Onye bi wala bago azu na go that person down. Because the life you live in Europe, yeah, no good careless. Amari our struggle. No many how for this Europe. Because the young lady in Europe, say maybe my go in Europe they get bupu go look.
You know, una know what they pay me for these people. Now these people they spoil Igbo name. My Igbo brothers and sisters, the good ones. Of course, there are wonderful Igbo people in this struggle. I must confess that. This kind of guy, now they spoil Igbo name. Now them, now because he don't they talk this kind of useless talk when they talk. Very bad, evil, cool thing when he want do. He don't they talk him. He can't decide to speak Igbo to make sure say yes. He paints Igbo. He paint Igbo people as killers. He paint Igbo people as people where they kill themselves, where hate themselves. Come, my guy, you know they represent Igbo, you they represent yourself. You are not representing Igbo. You are representing yourself. I know that a lot of people will come out and use this video against the Igbos because you came here to behave as if you are representing your people. You are not representing your people. Mazina the Kanu is against what you are doing. The Igbos and the entire Igbos are against what you are doing. Igbos are not against Simon Ekpa. It is you that hates him. So when you are talking in a language that everybody will understand. Don't try to use Igbo so that people will see that the Igbos are the people that they hate themselves, they kill themselves. It is you, the Fulani mixed blood, that call yourselves Igbo. Some of you are mixed blood. As far as I am concerned, I know that those of you who are doing all these things, you are the ones that are mixed blood. You are not the true born Igbo. You are not the true blooded Igbos. You are the fake ones. There are fake Igbos, there are genuine Igbos. Igbos who both parents are pure Igbos, and the Igbos who have half is Hausa, the other half is Igbo. You are one of those.
We go die alive. Every people go people nonsense about our struggle. It's our leader giving nonsense. Leader. Our leader brother said they betray and they say leader. Now it's our leader. Because this time I see that Nigeria. You don't win award for Nigeria this state. I want come now, come they tell us see the fight for Biafra. They were our leader.
My people, now hear this guy na complete mumu. The guy no get single sense. He says Simon Ekpa don't win award before for Nigeria. How come Simon Ekpa won't come tell us now say in the fight for Biafra? You don't see a person, this guy before he started the fight for Biafra, Ask this guy whether he never vote for Nigerian election before, whether he never support any politician before, whether he never partake in anything that got to do with Nigeria. As this guy they talk so now, he own Nigeria passport for Ano. He own am, but they use Simon Ekpa past, they judge him. If you want to use Simon Ekpa past, they judge him. What about Mazuna the Kanu when they campaign for Nigeria, one Nigeria for London? Will you also judge Mazuna the Kanu with that video? Is his past? Everybody has their own past. I used to campaign for Showore. I used to campaign for a better Nigeria. Will you not come to tell me that I am not genuinely fighting for Biafra? My guy, your reasoning, your thinking faculty, you know your guys sense, honestly, your shame, they shame me.
The leader brother and then say leader. How go back their own brother? If the whole lead brother will fight for this freedom.
Come! Nobody that accused Kanu Takanu. Na Chika doesn't tell us say Kanu Takanu lied to him, also lied to the DOS. The video there for them. Nobody they accuse Kanu Takanu. Now was our leadership. Now the Radio Biafra can tell us say Kanu Takanu is involved. Kanu Takanu knows what happened to Mazun and the Kanu. Okay? So may you not go divert them, not go put her for anybody head. If you must ask anybody question about Kanu Takanu, go and ask the DOS. They are the one that said it on Radio Biafra. And they told us that anything we hear on Radio Biafra is genuine. So if you see any Biafran accusing Kanu Takanu, you must not hold that person responsible. You better go and ask the DOS question, okay?
Okay, one make I go the fight, make they came abroad at that side. What if Kanu that they do now, right way supposed to? You know go the fight or go the make violence, make they kill brother. Now,
you hear this mumu man? He say Kanu Takanu, what the Kanu Takanu they do? Now the right thing. Kanu Takanu come and tell us say he not there, he is just an ordinary IPOB like every one of us. The other time again, he told us that he is in charge of the legal team. How can an ordinary IPOB member like one of us be in charge of the legal team of IPOB? Is it possible? Is that possible? That cannot be possible. So Kanu Takanu and the DOS, they are playing with the intelligence of the Biafrans. And they don't want anybody to talk. They don't want anybody to ask them questions. That is the problem. Now I'm asking a question. Are we not zombies? Are we not push and follow? Are we not suffering and smiling? Is that what we are? We should start asking ourselves questions. The day you stop, the day you are afraid to hold your leaders responsible for issues that are happening in your country, that is the day you will get it wrong. That is why you will continue to be enslaved. We must make sure we hold our leaders responsible for whatever that is happening in IPOB. We are not going to be asking outsiders. Simon Ekpa is just an ordinary member. We must ask Kanu Takanu and the DOS. The videos that they are there. I don't really intend to go into this topic, but when I saw your video this morning, I really said no. You deserve to be trashed. Your video deserves to be trashed. I don't even have time. I'm late for work already. But no, I must treat it because you are one of the bad heads in IPOB. You are one of those giving bad name to our supreme leader.
The only brother we get, not the only name they cannot be Biafra. You said it because if you see play your own them, do what you need they cannot know you. If they let me say go start do that. With the listen for that time on. Now DOS this, DOS that. One day anybody who want to take this struggle back, we go take us down. They want him to come back.
You see, anybody who want to take this struggle down, we go take them down. Guy, now marks you they make. Now marks that you they make. And they tell you, and I tell you again for the last time before I stop this video. Not be today, brother, they betray brother. I know they accuse Kanu Takanu for one thing, because one, apart from the fact say body language make DOS accuse them. I know they accuse them because we still wait for proof as we did so. Even DOS, I know they accuse them. But now Kanu Takanu, they tell us say they are aware, say they know what happened to our supreme leader, go ask them. So now those videos now they judge them. Personally, there is no evidence yet to prove say yes, Kanuta na kidnap Mazi or na DOS do am. So for me, now let those videos now they judge. Now let those videos after they judge for now. So make I tell you, brother can kill brother, sister can kill sister. It done the happen for years before, and it still the happen as we speak. So that your analyzing it not make sense. It not make sense as we dey speak to today. So blood, they keep blood anyhow. For so many reasons, blood they keep blood. So may you put that one aside. They put that one for trash. Now they talk like an inferiority complex. We not get common sense. You not get single sense. Your reasoning here, it too they childish. And I they challenge you. If you not say yes, you mean this the way they talk. Say yes, you can sacrifice for Biafra to come, for our supreme leader to come out. Contact me. Go to my page, Face of Biafra. Collect my phone number. May you call me. Say, my sister, yes, I want to sacrifice for supreme leader to come out. I need money I need transport. I'm not gonna sell you the money. I go buy your ticket for you. Go in and come in. You go execute the job. You hear me? This job where you say you sabi do so for Europe, you go do it for Zo, because if you do it for Europe, it go easy to cramp you. But if you go Zo, they not quick cramp you. So go do Open Zodima and devil money for us. Go free our supreme leader the day when he go court on the 18th, 19th, 20. These 3 days, sacrifice that for BIAFRANS. Make your name enter gold. Make them write your name with gold. Say yes, this now Biafra hero. See what he do. So time. Aside that one, may you go hide. If you not say you not gonna fit do this thing when I tell you so now, when I dey suggest for you, go hide. Go hide. You hear me? Ça vous fait du bien, excusez-moi. Make you go hide. You hear me? Go hide, oh. My people might leave now. I been want to share this video, make it reach this guy, because the guy need to have a, you need to change his mindset. Honestly, all these people that they cause problem to IPOB, all these people that they make the enemies, they laugh at us. Person like Ichele see this guy now, he go begin laugh. He go see video when he go take make caricature again. All these people, they know they get sense. They don't get sense. See, there are things you don't come to the public to say. You are in IPOB and you are saying all this kind of thing, rubbish. You are saying that you are a killer. We don't kill in IPOB. Now, sorry, the Kubo, they both say they kill. You don't say our supreme that come out, they talk rubbish for IPOB, for radio station before, that he is going to kill this person, he's going to kill. You don't hear our supreme that do all this kind of thing. Where una get all this una mentality for? All this una useless mindset. Where una get that from? May God deliver una, honestly. All hail Biafra. Thank you, my people. Bye-bye.
A word is enough for the wise. This is a very good time for everybody to come together and speak in one voice. Because 4 days from today, His Excellency will appear in court. How prepared are we? Honestly speaking, how prepared are we to take over the mantle, to take over the battle, to fight back, to draw our strategies? This is what we're supposed to be saying right now, not fighting ourselves. I really want to plead with the DOS, if they can announce it, at least that everybody should cease fire, so that things will be all right. That is my opinion. So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you any day, anytime. And if you have been enjoying all this and you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.